Together we'll pair. Memories of childhood, treats by our side, heartbeats racing as we take the ride. The thrill and the fear, like a sweet surprise, holding on tight, we'll reach for the skies. And let's go for a ride, babe. Let's go for a ride, let's feel the thrill. Roller coaster dreams we're chasing still. Scream out loud as we twist and spin in this wild ride. Let the fun begin. Toffee Apple or Candy Floss, what's your pick of sweet pops before the next thrill kicks? Cotton candy clouds and sticky toffee hair, spinning in the funfair, do we even care? Strolling down the lane, feeling the sun's embrace, every step a dance with a smile on my face. Well, in teacups and a carousel spin, candy-coated dreams where the fun begins. With every turn, our laughter grows. In this fairground love, anything goes. Let's go for a ride, let's feel the thrill. Roller coaster dreams we're chasing still. Scream out loud as we twist and spin in this wild ride. Let the fun begin. The coaster's done and I'm still in one piece, but my nerves are shot. Can I get a release? Left my courage somewhere back on that track. Next year maybe I'll just watch from the snack shack.
Next time, babe, it's tea and crisps. No more roller coasters.